I don't know exactly why you got in it, and definitely not off the 2 minute, but I can show you what you should have on a scalp, and then you can go from there. Deal?
Okay.
So on this move, we don't touch any of these. None of those are a bullish move, right? Because you said you went long, right?
Yeah.
But this one was. As soon as this candle happened and it broke above the previous and you had this engulfing candle, this right here is your entry. See it? That's your entry. Nowhere else, not a single spot before it, not a single spot after it. That's the move.
Gotcha.
And that's off of a 2 minute, but you should have been in here on a 1 minute because look at the difference of a 1 minute. Look at this. You see these candles? So this 1 minute right here would have definitely been like, hey, a lot of caution going on, right? By the way, this candle was your reversal candle. You see this? Everybody see that inverted hammer? That's your reversal candle, by the way. See it?
Yep.
Then it led to these right here, these soldiers to the upside. And then, of course, then to start paying attention to VWAP. So my stop at this point is always going to be right a penny or, close to under VWAP, right? So that's the scalp. But that's a tough scalp, man. In here, especially when I told you guys not to be playing in Tesla, this is a dangerous game. Did you at least have a stop or a trailing stop?
Yes, I had a stop and I cashed it. I cashed it out. Well, I hit my stop around the 946 mark. Okay. When it was way up there.
Wait, so you had a take profit and a stop? How did you do that?
I didn't do a take profit. I did a stop, and then it bounced down and hit my stop.
Okay, so you were moving. Okay, so you did what I trained, which is move your stop.
Right. Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, good job. No, it's good. Yeah, because here's the thing with Tesla, and this is why I said to be careful. Let me use this as a perfect example. How many shares did you have? 100?
I believe I only had one contract. Two contracts.
Okay, all right. So that's okay. So that's pretty scary too. Here's the reason. Let's say you bought in here and you bought a call and you had a stop. Yes? Just like you did?
Yeah.
The problem is institutional sellers can come in and make this candle lose about $2 in under 10 seconds. The problem is your stop does not get triggered and you will lose 70 to 80% of your entire amount of your contracts in under 10 seconds on that stop.
That was $1,000 for both contracts. So
yeah, so you could have lost up to $800 immediately because that's what these candles, these big red, this is off the 1 minute. This one and this one, these are called the widow makers, right? Okay. It would not have triggered your stop. Ask Mark.
Oh yeah,
it would have crushed you completely, and you'd have been like, "Oh, that's got to be the bottom." Boom, there goes another one. That's it. Your whole account's gone. So just be careful.
I'll take that as a lucky break and not do it again.
Absolutely. Yep. AMD, yes, it looks great. And you guys are now on your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 2-minute EWO to the upside. Did anybody call out the first 2-minute EWO to the upside on that?
I did in chat, but you were discussing some stuff, so we didn't interrupt.
Gotcha. So good call. So again, this one now this is a perfect example, and we talked about this. Well, we do this every day. This right here, if you got in on this put around VWAP, you need to be virtually slapped. Do you see it? The overall trend is to the upside. You are at VWAP, which is also another no-go zone. If you tried to buy this, coach, you said that every 2 minute, there's no reason to do that. Now, this is a critical level for AMD. You see the double top? If that stays and holds above, hammer it to the upside. Do you understand me? And then have your stop.
Here, coach.
Yep, and then have your stop. There it goes. There it is. And then have your stop. Your stop should be right there.